Here is how to create your own unique sound on TikTok. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your device. Log into your specific account as well. After that, you need to go ahead and create or upload a video to TikTok as you normally would. If you film a video directly in the app or upload one from your camera roll or an editing app like CapCut, and you don't add a sound from TikTok's audio library, your video's audio will automatically become the original sound for your post. If TikTok automatically adds a sound after you upload your video, you can go ahead and click on next, adjust your audience and all the other settings before you post, and click on post option from the bottom right. Open that specific video, click on this music icon or your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can see that the audio is named as original sound. You can click on this option right here and you can see the contents that other people have created using your original sound. And you can also choose to save it by tapping this button right here and you'll be done. So that's how you create your own sounds on TikTok. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.